For most of the year, water is a creature of movement. It reflects the sky in restless ripples and carries the stories of entire landscapes downstream. But in the winter, the water slows. It becomes still. Ponds and rivers display long, pale lines across ice where pressure deep below has shifted the surface. Frost spreads in delicate patterns like feathers laid gently across the glass. Wind sweeps loose snow into quiet drifts like powdered sugar dancing across inky darkness. Those who spend time near frozen water become familiar with its many voices. The whisper of wind across ice, the call of birds echoing across the pale sky, the distant creak of branches from the trees lining the banks. For centuries, people have crossed frozen rivers and lakes in seasons like this. Hunters, travelers, explorers following the curves of the water. The river becomes their temporary road, a transient bridge erased with the warming sun. The light grows warmer. Somewhere beneath the ice, the water moves freely again. Then a soft, dark seam appears along the edges of the shore. The ice loosens its tight grip on the land. The frozen, snaking river begins to fracture into larger patterns, long plates of ice drifting slowly apart, turning and sliding across the water as the returning warmth reclaims the waters below. Snow melt will slip through the fields and forests, a time when rivers sleep, when the world becomes still enough to see its hidden beauty and the patterns drawn across its face.